Hello. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to break a bike chain if you're trying to remove it and you don't have a chain removal tool. This is not recommended if you want to reuse your chain, but it is a way to get it off of your bicycle if you need to replace it. So the tools you need are a flathead screwdriver or something to pry with that will fit in between the links of the chain. You will also need a deep socket and a punch. So you'll take the punch and you will place it in between the link like that. Make sure you are on a link that the two are on the outside. Then we'll just hit it with a hammer until it breaks free. And there you have it. That's all you have to do. If it didn't come off all the way, that's when you would use a screwdriver and try to pry it a little bit. But it's a great way to remove a chain. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.